how to set include attachment with reply in mail on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, okay, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to mail. In mail, scroll down again and go to composing section. Here in composing section, you can see here the include attachment with reply. To set, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see the option. So you can set the include attachment with reply and to never when adding recipient as, or you can set into always. So I decide to set the include attachment and replies in mail into as. And okay guys, we have successfully set the include attachment with reply and to as in mail on iPhone X.